when you come to America, just leave your phone.
Hello, everyone. How you guys doing? Merry Christmas to you guys and a Happy New Year in advance. A couple of weeks ago, I actually I pre-planned this video. So I was going to do a live video on how to use a MetaTrader 4 on your system and also on your mobile phone. I want to be showing you right here on my mobile phone how to do a setup. And mind you, this is specifically for my team members. 2019 is going to be a year of financial tsunami. Thousands of dollars is going to be made. The market is large enough for everyone to be a part of. All you need to do is to learn the basic skill set of the Forex market. And what happens next? Once you learn the basic skill set, you learn the strategy. And the strategy you're going to be using for the year is called the Spieler strategy. Dr. Spieler strategy. And what I want everyone to do is to learn how to use a strategy, both on your mobile phone and on your, what's it called again? On your system. And I expect everyone to also resubscribe, you know, resubscribe your IML, what's called, for you to, no, you need to resubscribe your own IML for you to be able to use the tools, use the Harmony Scanner, the Web Analyzer. They have amazing tools there. So it's very important to do that. Greetings all the way from the United States of America once again. And I want to start right now. Now, you open your MetaTrader 4, you can see it right here. Is going to what you're going to see the MetaTrader 4 on your system. All you need is to download it from, from Google, and you have it right there on your system. You understand? I have this right here, so I want to do a setup on it, and now let me proceed using the Spieler strategy. I will do. I will just take steps. Okay, have a pen, write it down. Okay, let's proceed. Now, okay, I think before I proceed, I want to talk about some things, basic things. Do you have a vision for the year 2019? What's your vision? What's your purpose? As a trader and as a builder, what's your purpose? What's your vision? You need to be very specific about it. You need to be very explicit about this for you to be able to make progress come 2019. Now, you need to have a pen and a paper so we can actually jot some things and learn some things. Okay, we want to make a difference this new year. We don't want to end this new year the way we started 2018, because the good book says we move from glory to glory. You just have to move from one level of grace to another, one level of glory to another. We can actually remain the same as the new year comes. It should be a new year of joy, but you need to plan. You need to plan first. It's very important. Plan first. Then, you're certainly going to make giant strides. I want to talk about vision briefly, and before I proceed in educating you on how to use MetaTrader 4. Because even if you're trading the forex market, you don't have a vision, you have a purpose, you're not driven. What's your drive? You need to have some kind of drive. What is driving you? There's a saying that says, the way a man runs is determined, is dependent on what is pursuing him. If a cat is pursuing you, there's the way you'd run. If a dog is pursuing you, there's the way you'd run. And if a lion is pursuing you, how do you think you run? You're certainly going to fly. So it's actually determined by what is pursuing you. It's very, very important. Okay, I want to talk about vision. Now, what is vision? What's vision? Let me open it from the dictionary. I want to define what vision is. To you, vision is the ability to think about or plan the future with your imagination or vision. It's the ability to think about or plan the future with your imagination. It's very important. You need to have a vision. The Bible says, as far as you can see, I give unto you. What picture can you see? How far do you want to go in 2019? The mistakes you made 2019, you're gonna correct this new year. You're gonna give yourself to learning because you have a vision, and your vision must be penned down. The Bible says, "Make it plain." The vision should be written on the tables. It should be written. Make the vision plain. Make it, pen it down on a paper or on a book and read it out. Read it aloud. Because if your vision is not written, that means you have no vision. If you think you have it in mind, you just have, okay, you have it here. It doesn't make any sense. Your vision must be penned down. Make it plain. And voice your vision. Because when you pen it down, one, regularly you go back to where it's written and you voice it out by saying it, by proclaiming it. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's very important. It's very, very important. Very, very important. Now I've defined vision for you. You see, you become what you think. Whether I like it or not, it's not about you accepting it. It is so. Just for instance, what's called the law of gravity, right? You throw a stone up, what happens to it? It's certainly going to come down. Same applies to what you think. You are a product of your thoughts. You're a product of the investments, what you've invested in yourself. You're a product of that. So it's very important we start with changing our minds. I'm actually saying this particularly for some of our new members that we have here. Change your faculty. Change your thinking. Renew your mind. Because when your mind is renewed, you make tremendous progress, speedy progress. As you can't even imagine how far you can go when your mind is renewed. Change your thinking process. Okay? It's very important. Don't start seeing things the way you used to see things 2018. Okay? Think about what you want to achieve. Because first of all, you've already written it down. Second of all, you're expected to think about it concurrently, regularly. Think about what you want to achieve. Think about what you want to achieve. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because you need to have a vision. Vision is it can also be defined as a state of being able to see. Do you understand? You being able to see, you seeing your subconscious mind. You're seeing. You need to be able to see what you want to achieve. Because without vision, people perish. It's very important. It's very important. Very, very important. Now, I want to talk about what vision requires. What does vision require? What does vision requires of you? What does vision requires? Now, you see, I need you to also to understand something. You need to also, begin with the end in mind. Whatever you want to do, you need to begin what you want to do with the end in mind. That means you have you're moving on a particular pace, and you want this is your destination. Okay, vision has a destination. Okay, you have the end in mind. This is where you're going. This is where you're moving to. It's very important you do that. Now, for you to for what vision requires of you, there are few things you need to really write down. The first one here is to maintain a positive mental attitude at all times. A positive mental attitude must be maintained. It is very important you know this. A positive mental attitude. I get it now? Okay? It's very important. You also need to improve your work ethics. The second one is to improve your work ethic. Very important. Improve your work ethic. Love people naturally. Okay, for instance, if you're a networker, you need to improve on yourself, and also be passionate about what you do, and also because your business requires you meeting people, even all the business in the world, not just not network marketing. Every business in the world requires you meeting people and also sharing your business ideas with them. If you love people naturally, you're certainly going to get people to your business. Okay, you must invest in yourself. It's very important. You can invest in yourself by educating your mind and how to relate to people and how to tell people to come join your business. Very important. Very, very important. So improve in yourself. Maintain a positive mental attitude. Very important. The third one, have a pleasing personality. It's very important. Have a pleasing personality. Very important. And let me actually round it up. Basically, um, you need to understand, for you to get a tremendous result 2019, there's a formula you need to implement regularly. And this is the formula. Write down. Write it down. Firstly, vision plus leadership multiplied by belief is equals to results. This has always been my sunesis, or should I use the word my cogitation. This has always been my what I do. You have a vision. Take a hold of your vision and develop your leadership skill. And how can your leadership skill be developed? By investing in yourself. And the last one, you must have faith or belief in your vision. I said vision plus leadership multiplied by belief equals result. Your result will be tremendous with this formula if it's applied properly. It's very important. Very important. I will give a summary of what I just talked about in a couple of minutes. Your vision must be written down. Make your vision plain. Make it plain. Let it be tabled. In the olden days, is the way they call it in the scriptures. Olden days is a larger table. It says, write it down. Make the vision plain. Your vision must be written on a book. It must be written. And it's always very important you also voice out your vision. For when you keep voicing out your vision, the world will be conditioned to direct you according to that vision. You have a purpose. And when you have it written down, you go there regularly, you checkmate your vision. Check it, check it regularly. And you voice it out. And you proclaim it, it's like an acclamation, you're speaking it. Every day, regularly. For instance, you say you want to raise leaders in your team. You wake up in the morning and say, I raise I have 1,000 people in my organization. I have 1,000 people in my organization. That you're saying it, and when you see something, you create it. Like I said, I have 1,000 traders in my organization. 1,000 active traders the year 2019 in my organization. 1,000 traders the year 2019 in my organization. Active traders in my organization. That's the way to go. 1,000 traders. That's my business. I'm talking about my business right now. What about your business? If you're a forex trader, if you're a builder, I'm a trader, I'm a trainer, and I'm also a builder. So that's why I can talk like this. Okay? So let's proceed. Thank you very much. Let's proceed. Let me teach you a little on how to do a setting on your MetaTrader 4 on your system and also on your mobile phone. Firstly, what you need to go to for this is actually right here already. You come here, you go to insert. Okay, you see indicators here. Click on indicators, And you can see now I want to set